Guess what, guys? The surprise is coming over here. It's the Christmas train. Let's see how good this is gonna be. It's over there. This is gonna be sick. Oh my god, there it goes. We're doing this at 4 a.m. This is so cool. Oh, here it comes. Whoa! Wow, look at that beautiful boy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look how cool this is. Merry Christmas. Woo! Oh my god. That's cool. That's what I say, a Christmas train. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe like and subscribe and comment. You think that was cool? Subscribe and like. And bye.